Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to reorganize data in Excel quickly. For example, if for some reason your manager asks you to reorganize this data by separating the sales, IT, and finance departments. It's written like this right now, but this data is quite confusing and your manager wants it more organized. You can do it manually as well, but it's gonna take you a lot of time, and doing it manually is quite boring as well, right? So let me tell you a trick. You can use the filter function to filter names by departments. Write is equal to filter, select the names and then press F4 to lock the range. Select the departments and lock the range and select the cell and put a dollar sign between F and 5. Close parenthesis, hit enter. And now drag the data to the right columns as well. And yeah, it's done. And now you can move on to the next task of your day. Alright, that was it for today's video. If you want to be a pro in Excel like me, I request you to visit our channel. You will find great videos on Excel for beginners as well as for Excel for intermediate users. You can also find very important Excel job interview questions and their answers. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one.